Hey guys, okay, welcome to the second lesson of this course. So in the first lesson, I showed you how to create our own very website in just few clicks. So in just few clicks, we are able to create this website. And in this video, I want to show you all the available features so that you will know what to expect and how you can some of the features you're going to use to run your own e-commerce platform. So the first one here is new post. This is probably where you're going to be creating posts, and when you click on new post, you can see it will bring you to this dashboard where you can start creating products and listing your products. In subsequent videos, I'll show you how you can list your product and create a product description and everything you need to do here. So that's basically what the place is telling us. And this second one here is post. This is where you can see all the available posts you have. As you can see, we don't even have any posts available. This is probably the one I just clicked on right now, so no post here. So the next one here is stats. This is where you're gonna see all the statistics and all where you're getting your traffic from and the different website that are getting you traffic. So because our website is fairly new, we have no stats here. There's no traffic at all. Nobody's coming to this website. So this is where you're going to be seeing those stats. So the next one here is comments. So this is where you're going to be receiving your comment for your store. You can moderate your comment. You can set it to moderate so that you won't get spam messages, and you can publish all of them. So the next one here is earnings. So if you want to run ads with on your store, you want to run ads with your store, Blogger makes it easy for you to connect it with your Google Ads, with your AdSense account. So I have an AdSense account, so if I can connect this store right now to my AdSense account, but because there's nothing there, I wouldn't connect it right now. So the next one here is pages. So our blog has no pages right now. Our website has no pages, but if I want to create one, this is where it's gonna be. This is where all the pages is gonna be. So the next one here is layout. Layout simply helps us to change stuffs on our website. As you can see, every layout here adds its own features. So we can write the name of the blog, the blog here. We can also rearrange some of these layouts. So we can hold this still and drag it up and down to the next one here. So we can rearrange how the layout is going to be. So this way you probably want to be spending some of your time, because you will need to you always modify your blog and make it look the way you want it to look. So the next one here is theme. So I'm going to show you in I think in the next lesson also how you can get beautiful themes. Now you agree with me that the theme we have right here on the website is not that great. Like you can see, it's not looking like an e-commerce store. It's never looking like an e-commerce store at all. So don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly the theme. When we get to this lesson, I'll show you exactly the theme. So this is probably the themes that are offered for free by Blogger. As you can see, some of them are looking like website from the past, but don't worry, I'll show you where you can download free themes. You don't need to pay for them. Beautiful themes. The next one here is settings. This is where you're gonna be doing the SEO and some other things of the blog. So you can write the name, the title of the blog here, the description of the blog, you can write it here, the language, Google Analytics. If you have a Google Analytics, you can connect to Google Analytics to this place. You can allow search engines to find to your website. You can direct HTTPS, secure, like it's having this padlock that to show you that the site is very secured. So this way you're gonna be controlling some of those basic settings and the rest of them. This one is reading list. We don't need this, so we just forget about this. So this is view site. This is as you're making changes to your site, you want to click on view site to actually see the site. Now look at the site. So don't worry, in the next video or in subsequent lessons, I'll teach you how to customize every single part of this stuff. So don't worry. So guys, make sure to watch the next video, and I hope you understood something. And thank you for watching. I want to see you guys in the next lesson.